Inaasahan na ang pagsisimula ng operasyon ng 53 MW Samal Solar Power Plant ng Samal Solar Renewable Energy Corp sa Barangay Gugo, Samal, matapos idaos ang commissioning ceremony nito. Ang nasabing planta ay magbibigay ng malaking ambag sa lokal na supply ng enerhiya habang tumutulong na mabawasan ang carbon footprints sa Bataan.
Samal Solar's 53 megawatt power plant is intended to be a practical contribution to our country's much-needed energy landscape and foster local economic activity and development as well.
The 53 capacity of the solar plant will significantly contribute to our local energy supply while helping reduce the province's carbon footprint. We welcome this initiative as it perfectly aligns with our continuing commitment to environmental sustainability and climate action.